Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number E1274A. 66,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this 200 brand new, velvet red in color. 200 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heating and air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Motor control overhead. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.